Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. Before we get started, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button on my main page. And once you have done this, don't forget to click on that bell to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to fix Google Chrome. An error has occurred whilst trying to check for updates or do a update. As you can see, I currently have this error here. To start off with, first you need to check your firewall to make sure Google Chrome isn't getting blocked. To do this, all you need to do is go down to the bottom left hand corner of your screen and open up the start menu. And you now need to type in Windows Firewall. And you now need to click on Allow an app through Windows Firewall. And you need to just simply scroll down until you find Google Chrome. And as you can see, Google Chrome has all the checkboxes ticked, which is absolutely fine. You can now close down Windows Firewall, but if you are using any other firewall, just make sure Google Chrome isn't getting blocked in that. We now need to make sure any antivirus programs are disabled. I'm using Malwarebytes, so I'm just going to right click and just simply quit Malwarebytes for a second. And I'm now going to refresh Google Chrome. And as you can see, it's currently checking for updates. And I still got the error message, which unfortunately means there is no other options to check. So I do need to uninstall Google Chrome and install it again. To do this, all you need to do is close down Google Chrome and go down to the bottom left hand corner of your screen and right click. You now need to click on Apps and Features. And you now need to scroll down until you find Google Chrome. And you now need to click on Chrome and click on Uninstall. And press Uninstall again. You now need to press Uninstall. And close down Edge or whatever web browser opens. And you now need to click on the link that's in the description below. And you will end up on a page that looks like this. You now need to click on Download Chrome. And just untick that box unless you want to keep it ticked and go accept and install. And you need to go save file and then run the setup file. Once Chrome has finished installing, it will now open and we should be running the latest version now. But if you want to check this, all you need to do is go to the three dots in the top right hand corner and then you need to go down to Help and go to About Google Chrome. And as you can see, it says Google Chrome is up to date. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.